In this video, we are going to talk about list items on HTML. Those are going to be unordered lists, UL, ordered lists, OL, and description lists, DL. So let's start with unordered lists. So in order to put our list items, I am going to use li tag, and we can put our text here. List item 1, li, list item 2. And let's see how it seems on browser. So we have our list item here, and next to it we see a bullet. We can also nest our list items. Let me give an example. Vegetables, fruits, and let's nest this item. In order to nest these items, I am going to create a new UL, and I am going to put my list items, li, watermelon, melon, and strawberry. So let's see how it seems. We have vegetables here, but there is nothing under that, and we have fruits, and we see watermelon, melon, and strawberry under fruits. We can change this bullet and circle as well. So in order to change it, I am going to add style here and list style type, and let's make it square, for example. So now there is no bullets, but now we see squares. So let's change the style of this item as well. Style, list style type, and this time we can use a normal bullet. So in order to use normal bullet, we are going to use disk here. So now we have a normal bullet. In order to use circle, we are going to use circle like this. We can use square like this, and if we don't want to put anything, we can use none. So we have nothing here now. Let's talk about ordered lists now. Ordered lists are just like unordered lists. We are going to put our li tag again. Ordered list item 1, li, ordered list item 2. On unordered list items, we see a bullet. Let's check the difference. I am going to remove this style. So we have bullets here, but on ordered list, we have number here. So basically this is the only difference, but I am going to show some more things about ordered list. So I am going to comment this again. So now we only have numbers here, but sometimes you may need A, B, C, D, or maybe you would like to use Roman numbers. So let me show this as well. In order to change the type, you need to use type. So you can put 1, for example, then it is going to be number. If you put a lowercase a, it is going to be in lowercase letters. You can put a again, but in uppercase. So the same, but in uppercase letters. You can put I here for Roman numbers. So it is going to be Roman numbers like this. Or you can put an uppercase I, and it is going to be Roman numbers in uppercase. I want to show one more thing. So let's have more items here. So basically this is starting from 1, but I want it to start from 20, for example. How we can do it? We can use start here. Start and 20, for example. And now it starts from 20. Here 21, 22. So we can do the same thing for letters, for example, A. So now it doesn't start from A, but it starts from T. If we make it number, it starts from 20. Now let's talk about description lists. It is a little bit different than unordered list and ordered list. Our tag is DL. And for description list, we are defining terms and defining descriptions. Let's give an example. In order to define a term, we are going to use DT, coffee, for example. And in order to define the description, we are going to use DD, hot drink. Let's give one more example. DT, milk, DD, cold drink. So let's see how it seems on browser. So here, DT, term, aligns to left, and the description aligns to right. Here the same. Milk aligns to left, and the description aligns to right. So I hope this video can be helpful for you. I am going to be happy if you can like this video and comment it. I am going to share this code on my GitHub account. You can find my GitHub account on my website, codeworld.com. Have a good day.